What I've done is I have cut these into rather oversized luggage tags. I think they're going to look very pretty. They're just luggage identifiers. I never ever put a name or address on the outside of my luggage. I think that is just asking for trouble. But it's really handy to have something on your luggage which is going to identify it, particularly if you've got a very popular brand. So these on their own wouldn't be much use. They would be way too fragile, even though they're made from a thick watercolour paper. So what I'm going to do is laminate them. These tag shapes were actually from the Brother machine itself, the Scan and Cut 1200. Then when I'd cut out the actual tags, I then went into the same pattern and I just put a 2mm offset onto it, separated out the old shape from the new and threw the old shape away, and used the new shape with the 2mm offset to cut out around the outside of the laminated tag. With the Brother it was relatively simple because you can put it through with your tags actually in the laminate, scan it through, you know exactly where your tags are, and then I zoomed in to 400% to make sure that I got my cut lines where I wanted to get them rather than having them skewed off to one side. So I'm really happy with these. I think that would be a great way of identifying luggage, and all you would do is put a nylon tie through here and attach it. Or if you really want to, you could use a permanent glue and glue it to your suitcase. The choice is yours. And that's it. A little bit of watercolouring, a little bit of cutting, and a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.